Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is the third video of the single cylinder engine assembly series. Well, hope you guys have created the piston head and connecting rod using Solidworks. For those who missed out the tutorials of piston head and connecting rod, I have mentioned the link in description box. You can watch it from there. So the next part we are going to create is connecting rod cover. I'm just hiding these components so that we'll get a better view of the component we are going to create. So this is the part that we are going to create today. So simple, you just have to make this bottom portion of the connecting rod to make a connecting rod cover. So let's begin. So go to files, again follow the same steps, click new, select part and then OK. Just make a check that your units are in centimeters. Now select the plane. I'm gonna select front plane. Go to sketch. We'll make a circle first. I'm using smart dimension. We'll keep 4.5. I'm using offset entities. Here I'll give it 0.5. Now click on line and we'll sketch like this. Just similar to not just similar, it's just the same as that you have done in the connecting rod. .5 and this dimension is 3.5. Now using mirror entities, we'll mirror these lines. Sorry, I haven't created a center line, so first let me create a center line so that I can mirror those lines. Now I'll click on mirror entities and to mirror about I will select the center line and done. Now select trim entities, select trim to closest and we'll trim off these lines. Okay. Now go to features, using extruded bows, select the plane like mid plane and here we'll make it 3 centimeters. Okay, I will sketch on the surface, make it normal, click sketch, we'll make a circle. And we will add a relation that the line and this arc are tangent. Alright, and using smart dimension we'll give the dia as 1.2. Now select rectangle, we'll make a rectangle here, give the dimensions 1.2 and 1.2 again. Okay, now we'll trim off these lines Go to features, click on extruded bows, and here we'll give the dimension 1.6. Okay, now again on this plane we'll sketch a circle concentric to this arc, and we'll give the dimension 0.65. And using features, select extruded cut. Here select through all, and then click OK. Now we'll mirror this feature on this side also. So for that, click on mirror. On mirror face or plane, we'll select the right plane. On features to mirror, we'll select both the features, and done. Now we'll remove these extra portions. For that, click on sketch, select circle, now give the dimension 4.5. now go to features, click on extruded cut, and here make it through all. Yeah, and we have the connecting rod cover also ready. Now just save the part. Well, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe, like and share, and let me know your suggestions in comment box. I'm Deepthi Matthew. Thanks for watching.